Are you on this Dunn case?
I am, Your Honor.
It's not happening. I'm just telling you.
Great.
Brian Anthony Dunn, 24W836317.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael A. Carmen, 73824. On behalf of the defendant, Mr. Dunn.
So these are always tough, and I'm constantly asked, why are you doing this? Well, let me get your name.
Brian Anthony Dunn.
Calling the prosecutor. First of all, you can't add a second charge on one file. They can't do that. Now, that's the first thing. Second thing, I have not believed, do not believe, and will never believe that people should be treated different based on their employment or what they've done. So unless the prosecutor is going to come in here and tell me, Judge, and I try not to get involved in this, but next thing I got a commercial driver in here. And he's saying, well, if I get this, I'm going to lose my license.
I understand, Your Honor.
Then I've got somebody else, and I've got somebody else, and I don't know where it ends. I don't know where it ends. I mean, if the legislature wanted to do this, they should have carved out exceptions. I know it might sound harsh. It's okay. You can accuse me of being harsh if you want. Mr. Urick, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, William Urick on behalf of the city of Woodhaven.
I just don't believe in treating people different based on who they are or what they do. And I've said this repeatedly, and if I do it for him, the next commercial driver coming in here, it's going to cost him employment, and you're going to ask me to do that. And then if it's somebody else that has a job that's going to be affected by the charge, you're going to ask me to do that. I'm not doing it.
And Your Honor, I understand that slippery slope, but I think in this case, it's more based on the facts.
Well, wait a minute. Nobody said that. Nobody said that. This is what was written. BAC .08, no objection from Woodhaven. Defendant's a combat veteran. No pride of any, no what of any kind?
Myers?
Okay.
And Your Honor, if we can just give a little factual background, he was.
Nobody's telling me, no one has ever heard me say, ever, that I will not reduce a case if there's a problem with the case. There's no indication of that. Nothing on that stip form says that. In fact, the prosecutor is duty bound to dismiss the case or offer a significant reduction like this if he doesn't have a case. If he doesn't or she doesn't, they're not very good prosecutors. But I didn't read anything like that. Now, listen, my father was a Marine Corps major. I have the utmost admiration for people in the military. I just am not comfortable. And I've told you guys this repeatedly. I mean, I didn't write the law. Maybe the law should be 0.10. Maybe it should be 0.01 is the minimum. I don't know. I'm not dealing with that. All I know is I have a law that says 0.08 in IRS is a OWI case. And now you're asking me to take it to a careless. And plus, I can't put one file on two. You can't have two counts without adding citations. I didn't say I was going to send him to jail or any other thing. I just feel like, and I've said this to you guys repeatedly. And so, okay, somebody can say it's harsh. That's okay. I don't know where the cutoff is. What if I get? What if it's a lawyer?
I'm sorry, Ron?
What if it's a lawyer? What if it's a doctor? What if it's a legislator? I'm not doing it, guys. Sorry. You can go back and figure out what you're going to do. If there's a problem with your case, you're going to come back up here and you're going to tell me that and how there's a problem with your case. But I'm not carving out exceptions. I'm just not.
Very well, Your Honor.
Thank you.
May counsel and I approach briefly?
Not now. Let me go through a few cases.
Very well.
Okay?
Thank you.
George Stanko.